Have you ever wondered why the scent of lavender calms your nerves, or why a whiff of peppermint boosts your energy? Welcome to the intriguing world of essential oils, a world where the essence of nature is captured in tiny droplets. These oils are not just fragrant, they carry the life force of the plants they are derived from. Extracted through processes like distillation or cold pressing, these oils retain the unique chemical compositions of their parent plants. This is what gives each oil its distinctive aroma and therapeutic properties. From the calming lavender to the energizing peppermint, from the purifying tea tree to the uplifting citrus oils, each essential oil has a story to tell, a benefit to offer. And it's not just about the scent, these oils can affect our bodies and minds in profound ways. But which are the top 5 oils you should know about? Which ones are most popular? So, let's dive into the enchanting world of essential oils and discover their magic. Among the hundreds of essential oils available, there are 5 that are most used for their incredible benefits. Let's start with lavender, the queen of relaxation. This oil, extracted from the beautiful purple flowers of the lavender plant, has a soothing floral scent that helps calm the mind and promote better sleep. But beware, too much of it can lead to skin irritations. Next up is peppermint, the ultimate energizer. Derived from the peppermint plant, this oil has a cool, refreshing aroma that can clear the mind and uplift the spirit. It's also known to relieve headaches and improve digestion. However, remember to dilute it before use, as it can cause a burning sensation if applied directly to the skin. Our third essential oil is eucalyptus. With its distinct camphor-like scent, eucalyptus oil can help clear your nasal passages and boost your mood. But be cautious, as it's not advisable for young children or pregnant women due to its strong nature. The fourth oil on our list is tea tree. Derived from the leaves of the tea tree plant, this oil is a potent antiseptic and can help heal wounds and fight acne. Its scent is medicinal and invigorating. However, it's not to be ingested or used around the eyes, as it can be toxic. Last but not least, we have lemon oil. Extracted from the peel of fresh lemons, this oil has a bright, citrusy scent that can improve focus and boost mood. It's also a great natural cleaner. But remember, lemon oil can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. All these oils can be used in various ways. In a diffuser for aromatherapy, mixed with a carrier oil for a soothing massage, or added to your bath water for a relaxing soak. Isn't it fascinating how these oils can do so much for the whole you? Now that you know about these amazing oils, wouldn't you want to try them out yourself? Let's dive into some DIY tips. Lavender oil, with its calming and soothing scent, can be used in a diffuser for a restful night's sleep. For peppermint oil, just a few drops on a cotton ball can repel insects. Eucalyptus oil is wonderful for steam inhalation in those stuffy winter months. A drop of rosemary oil in your shampoo can stimulate hair growth. And for tea tree oil, dabbing a small amount on acne can help clear your skin. Remember, less is more when it comes to essential oils. Always dilute them before applying directly to your skin. And of course, these are just suggestions. Feel free to experiment and find your own unique blends and uses. Also look out for my top 5 list of carrier oils. We encourage you to share your favorite oils and fragrances. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And remember, nature has a cure for everything. Just inhale.